Do you want to know how you can create a channel in WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a channel in WhatsApp. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, open WhatsApp web and then log into your account. Now, click on this icon which says channel, and then you can click find channels if you want to join the channels, or you can click the plus icon which is the menu icon and then click create channel. Now click continue and then write down the channel name. After you write down the channel name, click on add channel icon, click upload photo and choose any of the photo you want. After you choose it, click on this icon over here and then write down the description of your channel and then click create channel. You can see that your channel has been updated. Now others can search for your channel, or you can click on this and you can share your channel via WhatsApp, or you can copy the link and share it with your friends. So this is how you create a channel in WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.